Hello, today I'm in Mercedes A-Class. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel button. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster. Thanks to this button you can change menu, and thanks to this button you can scroll through current menu. On the right side we've got the buttons thanks to which we can answer the call, end the call, and thanks to plus and minus button we can also navigate through instrument cluster, but not like thanks to these buttons. Use plus and minus button to enable or disable something in the instrument cluster menu. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.